Okay, you now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
It was happened in last. It was happened 2 times in last year. Firstly, my younger brother wedding, which we were waiting eagerly, and we enjoyed and celebrated it well. And secondly is my birthday, which we are waiting eagerly for a long time. So my family and friends are as- are decided to enjoy are decided to celebrate my birthday at a place. So we went to Lahore and enjoy and celebrated it there well.
Okay, this is very short, less than a minute. Try to speak more. And you are communicating with very basic few words, few sentence structures. So you should focus that, learn tenses and all that. When you started, you said it was happened. And remember, in cue card, you have to talk about one thing. You talked about two events, one birthday and the other one, and you did not cover the topic. Describe a time when you were waiting for something special that would happen. So you should have properly talked about how you waited, what you did during the wait, why were you waiting. So you did not cover the topic entirely, and be specific, talk about one thing in your speaking part 2, right? Looking at your overall performance at present, I will rate you at 4, but with a little improvement you can take it to 4.5 to 5. Yes. And focus ideas, grammar and fluency, right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.